Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a cute gingerbread man. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper. We're also gonna need something to color, so I'm using markers. These are some of the colors I'm using. Okay, you can use crayons or color pencils or whatever you have in hand. We're also gonna need this white marker. We're gonna put it down here and a black marker. Okay, let's start here on the center of the paper. The first thing is gonna be the bow that he's wearing, and we are gonna start with a circle. Now, to the right side, I'm gonna go up a little bit and curve down. So it's gonna look like this, going up and curve down. And let's do the same thing on the left side. We're gonna go up and curve down. Good. So now I'm gonna continue here with the head. It's gonna go up. It's kind of like half a circle, and this is a big circle. So I'm going to start from this point and around, and I'm going to go super slow. So my circle is kind of like even. I'm going here super slow, and I'm going to close to the other side. I'm going to bring my paper down a little so you guys can see. And the next step is going to be here. We're going to do a curved line or like kind of like a letter U's to go together, and this part is kind of like his hair, like the sugar that he is decorated with. There we go. And now let's do the eyes. It's 2 circles. So let's do 1 circle on the left. Now we're gonna leave a space in the middle. We're gonna do another circle on the right. There. Now the smile is gonna be a letter U. Small smile right here, and we're gonna do eyebrows, and these are gonna be rectangle shapes. They are pointing up a little bit, so this one is pointing up and this one too, and that's gonna make him look a little bit more happy. The next thing is gonna be the sprinkles on his head, and for that I'm doing also rectangles. Okay, and these can be, let's try to put them the same size, and it can point different directions. And here I'm gonna go a little fast, but you can stop the video to copy what I'm doing. Okay, so let's put one more here, and that's it. Now here from this point I'm gonna do a letter V from the circle. Let's do another one on the right side, and it's gonna look like that. Now on the bottom we're gonna do a letter U, really long letter U. Let's do another one right here, really long. And now we're going to close the bow by doing a curved line that goes here and here. Perfect. Now let's continue with the body. From here I'm going to do a line here and here. We're going to leave a space first, okay? So I'm leaving a space and doing a line to go down, leave a space, and do another line to go down and curve a little bit. Let's do the curve a little bit more big, and we're leaving here space in the middle because I'm doing a letter U shape, an upside down letter U to close the legs. In the middle we're gonna put buttons, and it's 2 circles, and that's it. And now I'm gonna do the decorations he has in his legs. So these are looking like letter M's. They are very curvy. So this is one, and let's put one more on the bottom. Let's do the same on the left side. I'm sorry, in the right side. Just like this. And let's continue here with the right hand. Okay, so we're gonna go from this point down, and we're gonna go a little diagonal line, and now we're gonna curve up. We're gonna go back, and we're curving again. So here I'm putting a little curve. I'm also doing the same decoration here with a letter M that is double, and it just looks like this. Now on the left side we're gonna start with the candy cane he's holding. So from here I'm doing a curved line that goes down, and now to the right. Now let's go up, and we're gonna curve. We're gonna close it here. Now I'm going to do a straight line that goes down. So from this point go down and stop right here because the hand is going in this point. So the hand is holding on the candy cane It's gonna look like a number 6. Just like this. Can you see the number 6? Now let's close the candy cane from here to here. We're gonna join with a line that goes down, just like that. And now from this point, I'm closing the arm with a curve. Now let's finish the candy cane by doing down. We're gonna go down with a line, and we're gonna pass this line also in behind, down, and we're gonna close this. There. The last step is gonna be this decoration here on the left hand. We're gonna just do a little curve. And that's it! We've finished, and you get to this point. Very good job, you did awesome. And now you can stop the video in this part. Remember, I want to keep adding colors, so stay until the end so you can see the result. And now, my favorite part, let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.